Chapter 10: Color, Frescoes, and the Painted Palace. The palace you see today is mostly stone. The palace the Minoans saw was colored. Minoan wall painting flourished around 1800 BC, reached its height in the middle of the second millennium BC, and declined after the final destruction of Knossos around 1350 to 1300 BC. The themes of Minoan painting fall into two broad worlds: the world of the court and the world of nature. The world of the court included processions, elite figures, costumes, jewelry, crowds, public gatherings, ritual events, bull imagery, shields, and scenes of bull hunting or bull leaping. The world of nature included lilies, roses, myrtle, crocus, wild goats, birds, wild cats, dolphins, fish, octopuses, monkeys, and other animals and plants. Painting required skill. Artists used both fresco and dry painting techniques. Pigments included carbon black, Egyptian blue, iron oxide, and cinnabar. Colors could be blended and layered. Several famous frescoes from Knossos carry both archaeological and interpretive importance. The Sacred Grove and Dance fresco shows crowds of people, full-figure women gesturing widely, men arranged in rows, and perhaps the setting of the west facade of the palace. The stepped white bands may represent the causeways of the West Court. The labyrinth fresco uses red bands and meanders, recalling later representations of the labyrinth as a symbol of Knossos. The Prince of the Lilies is one of the most iconic images of Minoan Crete. Arthur Evans interpreted the figure as the priest king, ruler of Knossos, combining religious and secular authority. But this interpretation is contested. Other scholars have suggested that the figure may represent an athlete, boxer, ruler, priestess, or even a sphinx. The figure is reconstructed from three non-joining fragments. The Blue Boy, or Saffron Gatherer, was one of Evans' earliest fresco restorations. The label itself points to the history of restoration. The blue figure was identified by Evans as a young boy. Keep this in mind throughout your visit. Some of the most famous images of Knossos are reconstructions. They are meaningful, but they are not neutral. They tell us about Minoan art, but also about modern interpretation.